One time grandma used this and slap me, you know, man. I tell her, say, every time I see one of them, I remember I slap. Anyway, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you very much for joining. Today, I have put together 15 of my favorite recipe just for you to watch in short form video. And if you're looking for the long form video, it's on the channel. Just search it up right now. Enjoy.
Would you like a receipt?
Make sure that this is how I make my green seasoning paste to season any kind of meat. I have some scallion, rosemary, some thyme, some hot pepper, and I mean sweet pepper, onion, I may have some garlic. And of course, if you try it, you can add whatever you want to add that you like. And I just go ahead and cut those up into a size where the blender can manage that. Load those into my bullet. Nothing nice like some fresh blend seasoning. No, we're gonna blend this away. And after about a minute and a half of blending, this is what it come out to, looking beautiful. Right now I'm gonna use this on some curry goat. If you wanna watch a curry goat video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for a video that says how to make curry goat Jamaican style. Some of my brethren go catch some fish and give me a couple of them. Some say what China man them look good for some escovitch fish. Me just fry them crispy. Some just clean them up and season them with my favorite season. I mean I tell you, as you can see, yeah man. In the meantime, I go and drink a red stripe and I cook me like I have something to drink. Hot up my island Japanese fish them, fry up them nice. Some vegetable on the side, you don't know, cabbage. In a cabbage, I have some broccoli, some okra, sweet pepper, and all them little things them, some Irish, and fry up my fish them well crisp. Because you don't know with escovitch fish, it's all about the crispiness. So China man, steam up my vegetable on the side. Yes sir. And that turned out to be such a good vibes. That's another homemade dish from Kenny Good Vibes TV. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel for more homemade dish like this. Hello. Today I am cooking some kidney. I am using some lemon and hot water to scald off my kidney. You know what I mean? Get that smell out of the kidney. With a little bit of salt, give it about 15 minutes worth of boil, then I strain that off. Then I continue with my favorite seasoning. Just season that up. Give it a nice mix. Now it's time to go ahead and really start to cook. I add that to a pot, wash out my seasoned pan and add the rest of leftover season. Some vegetable is a must, so I cut up some Irish potato, sweet pepper, tomato, onion, thyme, and add that to a pot with some more water and give it time. Brussels sprout, yeah, we have 2 of that in there. And there you have it, guys. Everything come on so beautiful, and that goes with some rice and peas. Big up! Well, right now I feel like I'm gonna eat some crispy chicken wings. So I'm just get some chicken wings, and of course my season is gonna be some green season where I'm gonna blend up. Yeah man, I'm gonna blend up my green season my chicken wing after I clean them up, and yeah man, make them sit for a while, mix up my bread in, and yeah, I'm gonna put a cooking oil I get heated, drop them in my bread in, drop them in my cooking oil. After the oil get hot, and look at that, can I tell you? This tastes so good. Crispy chicken wings. Subscribe for the full video. Let's make some curry beef. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel now.